Yes, good morning, students. Class 11th, subject maths. Topic is trigonometric function. Continue exercise, the sum concept before exercise 3.3. So, the formulas or identities you must learn related to this chapter. First formula is cos x plus y, that is cos x cos y minus sin x minus y. Second is cos x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And third is sin x plus y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Fourth is sin x minus y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Fifth is tan x plus y, that is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. And fourth is tan x minus y, tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. Cot x plus y, cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. And cot x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Cos 2x is, there are four formula or cos 2x. First is cos square x minus sin square x. Second is 2 cos square x minus 1. Third is 1 minus 2 sin square x. And fourth is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x, first formula is 2 sin x cos x, where n is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2. And second is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, where 2x is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Since at these points tan x is not defined. And cot 2x, that is cot 2x is cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x. And sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. And cos 3x, 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Now we discuss the example. Example number 10. Evaluate 3 sin pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Since pi radian is equal to 180 degree, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 6 means 180 upon 6, that is 30 degree. And pi by 3 radian means 180 upon 3 is 60 degree. And pi by 4 means 180 upon 4, that is 45. What are the values? 3 into sin pi by 6 means sin 30 1 by 2, and sec pi by 3, that is 2, minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 convert sin pi minus pi by 6. In second quadrant sin function is positive, and at the point pi there is no change in function. So sin 5 pi by 6 is equal to sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. So put the value sin pi by 6, 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2 into 2, 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2 into sin pi, 10 by 4. 10 by cot by 4 is 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Example 11. Evaluate sin 15. Sin 15 divide sin 45 minus 30. You cannot take sin 30 minus 15 since there is no value of sin 15. So we find the sin 15 values, convert it in sin 45 minus 30 and use the formula sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. That is sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. So you can put the values and evaluate the answer. Same this in this manner you can find cos 15, use cos a minus b, cos 45 minus 30, and tan 15. Tan 15 there are two methods. First method is sin 15 upon cos 15. Put the values of sin 15 and cos 15. And second formula is tan 15. You can find tan 45 minus 30 and use tan a minus b. Use tan a minus b. A minus b formula use कर सकते हैं. Sin 75 is sin 45 plus 30. Use sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next, sin 75 is sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Put the value sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 40 cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. And take the LCM, that is 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, which is the value of sin 75. Since sin 75 is equal to sin 90 minus 15, use the formula sin 90 minus theta, which is equal to cos theta, that is cos 15. So sin 75 is equal to cos 15. Both value are equal. And similarly Sin 15 is equal to sin 90 minus 75, that is cos 75. So sin 15 is equal to cos 75 is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Next is tan 75, that is tan, convert sin 45, tan 45 plus 30 and use the formula tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. You can find example 12, tan 13 pi by 12 is tan pi plus pi by 12. We use the formula tan pi plus theta. In third quadrant, tan function is positive and there is no change at pi, so which is equal to tan theta, that is tan pi plus pi by 12 is equal to tan pi by 12. Put the value of pi, that is 180 upon 12, that is tan 15. Tan 15 is tan 45 minus 30. Use the formula tan a minus b. You can find the value of tan pi by 12, that is tan 45 minus tan 30 upon tan 45 upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Put the values and get the answer. Example 30. Some identities are there. You can learn these identities. First of them is tan 3 6. Tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan qx upon 1 minus 3 tan x tan square x. Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 and 2 cos x minus y upon 2. Next is cos x minus y, that is minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2. Sin x plus y is 2 sin x plus y upon 2 and 2 cos x minus y upon 2. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2. Cos x, 2 cos x cos y is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Minus 2 sin x sin y is cos x plus y minus cos x minus y, or it can be written 2 sin x cos y cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. 2 sin x cos y is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 cos x sin y is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Next is example 30. Sin x plus y upon sin x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. Taking left hand side, sin x plus y upon cos x, sin x minus y. Use the formula of sin x plus y, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and formula of sin x minus y, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now we divide cos x cos y in numerator and denominator. So cos x cos y is cancelled, sin x upon cos x is tan x, and cos x is cancelled, sin y upon cos y is tan y, upon denominator sin x upon cos x minus sin y upon cos y, that is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. So it is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Now we start some questions from exercise 3.3. Question number first. Evaluate, prove that tan pi by sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Put the value. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 square plus cos pi by 3 is also 1 by 2 square, since pi upon 6 is equal to 30 degree and pi upon 3 is equal to 60 degree, and pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, which is right hand side. Same questions are 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. So do question number 2, question 3 and question 4 are same. Now question number 5. Evaluate sin 75. Sin 75 convert in sin 45 plus 30 and use the formula of sin x plus y, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Put the values. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. So the values are 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, that is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. That is answer. 1015 is also convert 1045 minus 30 and use 10a minus b. 10a minus b is equal to 10a plus 10b, 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a into 10b. So 1045 minus 1030 upon 1 plus 1045 into 1030. Put the values. 1045 is 1, 1030 is 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3, taking LCM root 3, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 is cancelled, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, and rationalize. For rationalization, multiply root 3 minus 1, that is root 3 minus 1 whole square upon root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So that is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2, taking 2 common, that is 2 minus root 3 upon 2, cancel 2. Since 10, use a square minus b square identity, a plus b into a minus b. Next question is